Hello fam! Hi there friends! In this future story, we have this problem 8 to the power x minus 7 to the power x equals 15, and we wanted to get the value of x. The problem might look difficult, but it becomes easier if you break down the number 15 into two numbers such as 15 times 1. Next, we are going to break down 15 into the summation of 8 plus 7 and express 1 as 8 minus 7. And now we have the difference of two squares form, which can be written as 8 to the power 2 minus 7 to the power 2. By comparing both sides of the equation, it's clear that x equals 2, and this is our final answer for this problem. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. Thank you.